Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're featuring what we confidently call the best satin spaghetti strap top available right now. The Zeagoo Women's Silk Satin Tank Top 2025 edition. If you're looking for an affordable, elegant, and ultra-comfortable camisole that transitions effortlessly from casual to classy, this is your winner. Let's talk fabric first. This top is made from a premium blend of 95% polyester and 5% spandex, which means you're getting the smooth and luxurious look of silk, without the high maintenance or the hefty price tag. The fabric feels soft and silky against the skin, lightweight enough to keep you cool during hot summer days, and breathable enough for long hours of wear. It's machine washable too, which makes this a stress-free addition to any wardrobe. Design-wise, it nails a minimalist yet elegant look. The V neckline adds a touch of femininity, and the adjustable spaghetti straps mean you can customize the fit exactly how you like it. It's cut in a way that flatters the shoulders and collarbone, with a slight drape that feels flowy but not baggy. It's not see-through. That's a big deal when it comes to satin tops, and Zeagoo gets it right. This top is all about versatility. Whether you're dressing it down with denim shorts for a relaxed beach vibe, layering it under a blazer for a work-appropriate outfit, or tucking it into a skirt with heels for date night, it blends into your look seamlessly. You can even throw a leather jacket or cardigan over it during transitional weather. One top, so many looks. It's a style chameleon. The cutout design on the shoulders and back adds just the right hint of sexy without going overboard. It's subtle, tasteful, and elevates the top beyond your basic tank. It comes in several colors, but the black version in particular is incredibly chic, easy to match, sleek in appearance, and ideal for all skin tones and body types. In terms of fit, this is a loose fit style, so if you prefer a more form-fitting look, consider sizing down. Otherwise, order your regular size. The adjustable straps will help you dial it in. Whether you're curvy, petite, or tall, this camisole complements your shape without clinging awkwardly. What really sets this camisole apart is its ability to be an everyday essential and a statement piece all at once. It's not trying too hard, and yet it always looks like you made an effort. For under $15, it's a steal, and frankly, it punches well above its price point in terms of quality and style. So whether you're building a capsule wardrobe, refreshing your summer basics, or just looking for that one top you can throw on and instantly feel put together, the Zeagoo Women's Silk Satin Tank Top 2025 is the one to beat. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more in-depth reviews of fashion essentials, beauty finds, and lifestyle upgrades. See you next time.